up? Today I got this Agodashi hot pot. Agodashi is a fish based soup and hot pot. So let's get started. I can add chicken and fish, some vegetables. Alright, full of nutrition. At first, move this soup in a pan. I feel the smell of fish, bouillabaisse like seafood like smell, and also I feel the soy sauce based soup smell. First, let's try the taste of it. It's really clean and really bit of salty taste. Alright, let's get started. At first, let's mince chicken. It adds a lot of umami, the taste on the soup. Next, I add chicken. Right. Now start to boil it little by little. And I can cut this chicken with these special scissors like kaijushi. I'm not sponsored, but I really like these scissors. Really nice to cut and really easy to clean it. Right. Right. Now it's nice size to eat. Seems good. Great. Also, I add the spare rib of the chicken. The meat with bones. Also, it adds nice taste on the soup. And I add more chicken. It's sashimi. It's really healthy part of chicken. Less fat. Let's cut this chicken in small size. And let's boil this chicken with bones to take the good soup. Great. Today it's not finished yet. I can add more fish on this. So now it has a much richer taste on the soup. Today it's not over yet. I got this raw fish sashimi, like sushi we can eat in raw, really high quality. I don't use this for the soup. Also, I add some vegetable, radish, and carrot. And not only this, I gonna add squid and seashell. These are cut like really tiny, so it can add lots of taste on the soup. And seashell. Now I can add the mushroom soup. It's at first it was dried mushroom and put in the water, and you can get the nice soup and add it on the hot pot. Very great. great. Now it has a deeper taste of umami. Great. Let's cut green onion, Japanese leek, Negi. Cut this. The scissors. Good. I can add different type of leek. This one is smaller. Let's cut it. And now I can add mushroom. This is called shimeji mushroom. Lots of mushrooms. Also, I'm gonna add dried tofu called Agodashi. And also this one I'm gonna cut this. It adds much more rich taste on the soup. So this one is used in different soup like miso soup. It adds a richness of the soup, umami taste. Now I can add garlic. Now it's boiled well and add bean sprout. It's called moyashi in Japan. And boil it again. is fully cooked. Great. Let's taste it. Tasting time. Tasting time. And soup will be great. Lots of umami. And I can add or adjust the taste with miso paste if I want different type of taste. Great. Also, these shiitake mushroom makes really great taste and also smell. It changes a lot. Great. It must be so hot. Right, let's try. Yeah, great. Very natural taste of umami. It's not punchy things, but really calms you down. Very nice. Also the soup. So good. It has chicken and fish and seashell and lots of vegetables soup. Really nice. And I think the more time passed, I got more soup from the chicken and bone. Great. Also try the fish. Let's try the fish. Really healthy and tastes nice. Great. So it was one pan hot pot and done in very successfully. Slap like, hit the like and subscribe.